Do you appreciate your job? We have to appreciate our job. Why? Because yung ating pong trabaho, it gives us opportunity to provide for ourselves, for our family, and to our loved ones. Our job gives us the opportunity to learn, and our job gives us the opportunity to move forward. Narinig nyo na po ito sa akin, yung mga nakalipas po natin na flag-raising ceremony, pero minabuti ko pong ulitin at hindi po tayo mapapagod na ulit-ulitin na dapat po ninyong i-appreciate ang inyong pong trabaho. If we cannot be good enough to everybody, we can be the best for someone who appreciates us. Hindi ko man po ito nasasabi sa inyo. Best po kayo para sa akin because I appreciate each and every one of you. Always appreciate your job. Kahit na naman po kasimple ang inyong ginagawa o gaano po kahirap ang inyong ginagawa. Lagi inyong tatandaan, ang trabahong yan ay kahit papato nagbibigay sa atin para tayo ay makapagbigay sa ating pamilya, sa ating mahal sa buhay, para tayo ay matuto at mag-move forward at patuloy na mangarap. Always appreciate your job, love your job, and again and again and again and again, consider this institution as your family.